Hello, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating how you can create a clustered chart in ThinkCell. So to create a clustered chart in ThinkCell, you will just come to this element. Then under our chart, you're going to select this clustered chart. So that you can change the orientation, whether you're working with clustered bar or you're flipping. In this case, you're just going to work with the clustered column. So I will select it and I'll place it here. So by default, you can see it comes with this legend. So we can change this legend to reflect what we are working on. Currently it's series 1 and series 2, and we can change it depending on our project. So to change it, you just click here and then click on your data sheet. And here I can change this to marketing and change this to, and you can see this did not reflect. Let me confirm. So let's change this to finance. You can see here it has reflected. You can make other kinds of adjustments. You can move this legend down. You can move it to the side or to any position that you want it to be. You can still bring it below the chart. And these are a number of tricks that you can use to work on your clustered chart. You can also change the color from this legend color. So we can change this to this, and we can also change the accent one to another, let's say this. And you can see we have successfully been able to format our chart. I hope you've been able to find this video helpful. Please, if you have, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.